Gloves.
I don't think we'll need gloves, Amber.
No. I'm picking up the guru. We're headed to the land of nada. Stavrscoop T-Rex. I don't know what we'll do if we don't find anything. We'll go somewhere, I guess. It's beautiful. Well, it's not beautiful. It's warm. It's warming, I should say. It's supposed to be in the 60s by like 1 or 2 o'clock. It's a shade before 11 now. The tide's low around 11:30, I think. Stand by. We're headed that way. Northeast, 15 to 20. Well, the Parker meters went into effect 5 days ago. These are the new Parker meters for 2013. They take change, dollars, or credit cards. Solar powered. Look at that baby. $1 per hour, $3, 3 hours max. I'll be damned. I knew they were. I heard about them. I had never seen one. Because we're having to park on our secret spot now because of those meters. We got to walk like 10 blocks south just to get away from the new sand. But maybe something will show up. Damn, there's some eye candy. Showed up. What are you doing up here in the dry sand?
See what he said.
I ain't got my machine turned on. I mean, I got it on, but I can't tell no more than what you can tell. Just keep digging. Should be a Chinaman down there in a minute. Windy. I told you. Woo! It looks pretty good. Stand by. The land of nada. Tide's all good, doesn't it? Really looks good that way. Great googa mooga. Damn. Double damn. I don't know if you can hear this or not because of the wind, but that's a fine looking spot right there. We ain't geared up to get in there, but that's as nice as you want right there. A hole, a pocket, a deep depression. Ha! Stand by. That's the first hole that Kenny just dug. We've been here 40 minutes. That's the first target that he dug. I haven't dug any targets. But I don't know what it was because he was so far ahead of me. We'll find out in a minute. Oh, he's got another target now, looks like. He's way up there. I'll see him. See what that is when I catch up with him. It's bleak. We're getting ready to go the hell out of here unless something changes. See it angry today. I told you it's angry. Yeah, can't another interesting spot right here. About, I don't know, 4 or 5 blocks from the pier. That's the spot right now. Damn, the sky must be falling. I found a ticket. I mean a target. First target of the day. Almost an hour. Stand by. Sounds good. Now it don't sound too good. It sounds choppy. There it is. Stand by. Looks like the top off some kind of, like it's lead or soft metal of some sort. Got threads on it. So we run up on a little place of stuff here. 3 or 4 holes here, 3 or 4 targets. Kenny's got some down there. I dug another one of those lead looking caps. This one's got the cap on it. I dug 3 or 4 brass screws. Some weird stuff. This was a scratchy, kind of a null. I started not to dig it. And of course, I don't even know what it is yet, but it's big and fat. It's not a ring. It's I don't know what it is. Like a cap or something. A big brass piece of mixed up metal thing, I think. Stand by. Like I said, a few targets showed up right here. There's one spot. Right here, we got the best sound of the day right here. I don't know what it is, but it's a nice sound. There it is. Stand by. I don't like it. Looks like a piece of wire or a piece of sunglass or something. Oh, maybe an old earring. I don't know what it is, but it's really soft metal. Ha! Let's see, the Excalibur won out on lead and stuff. Big chunks of lead for him. He got this thing here, which kind of looks like part of this thing here that I got, or maybe part of that thing, I don't know. But anyway, he got 67 pennies. He got 1, 2 dimes, 1 quarter, no, 2 quarters. Some kind of latch, swimming suit latch or something. He got some of that stuff right there. I don't know. I got more of that than he's got. I thought he had more than me. Now you see that piece right there? That could be the top of this piece right here. I don't know. But this is my stuff now. We're getting to my fine taquitos. This thing right here. Bolts and nuts. A nickel, a dime. Some gray matter.
You already got a picture?
Yeah. I think a ship, fastener ship, must have sank. I never found that many bolts and screws in one day my whole life. And I guess these look like paint tubes or something. Maybe, you know, they're lead and soft like toothpaste tubes, but they got big heads on them like paint might have on them or something. I don't know. But I'm looking for comments. Don't know what that is. Kenny's got a piece. I think I showed it to you similar to it. I got this doodad looking thing here. This doodad looking thing that was cool when I found it. Solid on the top. Heavy. God. Key. That's the best of it. See you for Surf Church tomorrow. Well, hellfire. I didn't realize until I got looking that the nickel is a 64 nickel. I mean, that's not great, but that beats the hell out of a regular nickel. See if my little camera will zoom in like Ben and Paul's. That's pretty good there. $1964. God, where'd that come from?